going to learn what is Python, when Python was released, why suddenly Python came into a picture, Python applications, like these all, why Python become as popular, Python applications, these all you are going to see. See, what is Python and is it new language or is it old language, or why suddenly Python came into a picture? This all I'll explain. See, first, what is Python? Okay, what is Python? See, Python is on programming language, but there are so many programming languages are there. C language, C++, Java, C#, Visual Basic, VC++, Smalltalk, Ada, Simula. There are so many languages. Okay, like Python also on programming language. See, Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language. But there are so many programming languages. There are so many programming languages. Okay, there are programming languages, so many are there, but top 5 programming languages. Top 5 programming languages. See, top 5 programming languages are C, C++, Java, Python, and C#. These are 5 programming languages are popular. 5 programming languages are popular. Now, Python is a programming language, but it was popular now. But actually, it was created in 1989 and it was released in 1991. But present top 5 programming languages are C, C++, Java, Python, and C#. These 5 programming languages, Python is old language only, but now it is become as popular. Now it is become as popular. Okay. See, here C, C++, Java, Python, and C#. In Python, see, Python was created, Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989 and it was released in 1991. Say, it is not a new language. It is old language only. This is only first class. Yeah, Sairam. This is only first class. Today only class. Today you are going to learn what is Python, why Python become as popular, and why suddenly Python came into a picture. In all programming language, why Python booming in the market, as well as how to learn Python, Python applications. This all I'm going to explain. Today only first class. It is only first class. Today only first class. Okay. It is live class only. Yeah, Avinash, it is live class only. I'm interacting with you also. So I'll teach, I interact with you. It is live class, not recorded session. Live class. Okay. See, one thing remember, present, if any doubt comes, just write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll clarify all your doubts. Okay. Yeah. How many days class will be there, and what is that class duration, what is that fee structure, and what is the syllabus, and how to write notes, everything I'll cover. Don't worry. First of all, you listen the class, watch the screen, listen the class. If any doubt is there, end of the session, I'll clarify all your doubts. Okay. Like see, Python class duration and time, what is the class timing, everything I'll teach, everything I'll explain, and then how to write notes, everything I'll explain. No need to write the notes. I'll send you through Google Classroom. Yeah, I'll explain. Say, just you should have a patience to listen class. First of all, everything I'll cover. I'll give time for doubts also. Everything I'll cover. Don't worry about subject. Don't worry about duration. In a short period, good subject I'll show you. Okay. I'm not a fresher. I have 18 years experience. Myself, I am Venkatesh. I have 18 years experience. Okay. Like everything I'll cover, everything I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, clear cut notes also I'll give. Okay, 1 minute. Otherwise, you wait. First, instead of subject, first I'll teach this all. Now, listen. Say, okay, first, before going to subject, because people are asking many questions, this only. Now, say, duration 60 to 70 days it will take. 60 to 70 days. It is courses, core Python, advanced Python, NumPy, and Pandas. These all will be covered. Okay. Course duration 60 to 70 days. 60 to 70 days it will take. In this course, you'll study core Python, you'll study advanced Python, you'll study NumPy, you'll study Pandas. These all you are going to see. Okay. Like core Python, advanced Python, NumPy, and Pandas, including NumPy and Pandas. Okay. Now, like Python, anybody can learn. You'll get a certificate also. Okay. Like our institute people, they'll provide course completion certificate also. Okay. Now, without any knowledge, anyone can learn Python. Okay. See, yeah, first of all, if you listen class, it is more better. After that, end of the course, this all I'll explain. If you listen class, it is more better. Okay. First, listen the class, watch the screen. Even I'll provide notes also, this type. Like this notes also I'll send. No need to write the notes. No need to write the notes. This type of notes also I'll send you through Google Classroom. Like this notes also I'll send you. Okay. Yeah, that is, first of all, you should have a patience to listen first class. Okay. Later I'll cover everything. Like you may have so many doubts. Whatever you have a doubt, all doubts, just write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll explain. Okay. First listen the class. See, Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989, and it was released in 1991. So Python is not a new language. Python was developed in 1989 and it was released in 1991. So it is old language. It is old language only, but recently Python become as popular. Why Python become as popular? I'll show you. Okay. There are top 5 programming languages: C, C++, Java, Python, and C#. These all booming in the market. But why Python become as popular? Python applications of Python. See, first of all, artificial intelligence applications. By using Python, we can develop artificial intelligence applications, machine learning applications, we can develop data science applications, we can develop data visualization applications, we can develop Internet of Things, IoT applications, Numeric and science applications, scientific applications, numeric and scientific. Image processing applications, and even web scraping applications, web applications, and enterprise applications, dash dash, etc. Say Python is become as popular because these are reasons. For developing artificial intelligence applications, machine learning applications, data science applications, data visualization applications, IoT applications, numeric and scientific applications, and the image processing applications, web scraping applications, web applications, enterprise application, these all booming in the market. Now, for developing this kind of applications, compulsory we require library, because it is not a calculating factorial program, square root program, Armstrong number, strong number program, this type. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means our intelligence we can add to system. Our intelligence we can add to system. That is called artificial intelligence. So whatever we know, our intelligence we can add to system, then system also can learn. That is only called machine learning applications. Machine learning, machine also can learn. Machine also can learn. So machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So our intelligence we can add to system. That type of application is called artificial intelligence application. Artificial intelligence, like examples, so many artificial intelligence applications are there. Example, chess game is there. Chess game. Chess game, you observe, you can play chess with computer also. You can play chess with computer also. So already some programs are written and placed in that game. Already programs are written, placed. Then what chess game, what computer will do? According to that programs, it will play. According to that program, it will play. While playing, even with your steps also, it can predict, it can guess, and it can follow. And even it can learn. So machine also can learn. With that, machine also will get experience. With that also it will learn. For that, mathematical and statistical algorithms will be there. Those algorithms, no need to write by us. Already written in a Python library. So Python has 2 lakh plus modules for this kind of applications. So programmer no need to put the efforts. See, as compared to other languages, Python language is very easy. Python language very easy. Like that is the reason Python is booming in the market. If you want to develop artificial intelligence applications as compared to all other libraries, all other languages, Python library very vast. That much vast library available in Python. That is the reason Python booming in the market for developing artificial intelligence applications. Artificial intelligence applications also, 3 types of applications will be there. Artificial intelligence is 3 stages will be there. Stage 1. Stage 1, it is less than human brain. Stage 2, it is equivalent to human brain. Stage 3, more than human brain. 3 stages will be there. Artificial intelligence. So our intelligence we can add to system. Our intelligence we can add to system. Then system also can learn. That is only machine learning. That is only machine learning. So I am teaching to you. You are learning. Like that, we can teach to system. System also can learn. That is only called machine learning. And for how it will learn? With artificial intelligence. The intelligence, whatever you add to system, that system also can recognize. Suppose one small example. Suppose I'll open domestic animals. Okay, domestic animals. Some emails I'll open. I'll open some domestic animals. If you see domestic animals, seeing this one only, you'll understand. Seeing that picture only, you'll understand what is that animal. You can identify. That is, you have an intelligence, you can identify. So what is this? What is this? What is this? Easily you can identify. How you are identifying? You have some intelligence. With that intelligence, you are identifying. This intelligence you can add to system. Then system also can identify. That is only called machine learning. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, this type of applications. So machine also can identify, and machine also can learn. Machine also can identify, machine also can learn. That type of applications are artificial intelligence applications. Nothing but face recognition software, voice recognition software, and spam filters, chess game, driverless cars. These kind of applications are comes under artificial intelligence applications. Suppose you have a mailbox. Suppose you have a Gmail or Yahoo Mail or Hotmail. Some mails are there. Mailbox, what will happen? One inbox will be there, one spam box will be there. Say whenever mail comes, that is, if it is spam, automatically with spam filters, it goes to spam box. If it is personal mail, if it is your relatives mail, your friend's mail, automatically it comes to inbox mail. So how it will recognize? There are some programs, there are some algorithms. With that, it can recognize whether this mail should place in an inbox or a spam box. It will identify. How it will identify? That type of algorithms already implemented. That type of application also called artificial intelligence application. So voice recognition, face recognition, say in a mobile, with your face also you can lock, unlock. That type of application also nothing but artificial intelligence application only. Chess game, driverless car, spam filters, these all comes under artificial intelligence applications. So how you are recognizing, like that system also can recognize. That type of application comes under artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. So machine also can learn. Machine also can learn. Like a machine also will get experience. With that, it will learn. That type of algorithms, mathematical and statistical algorithms are already implemented in Python library. That's what Python become as popular. But after getting Python, is it C language outdated? Is it C++ outdated? Is it Java outdated? Is it C# outdated? No. These 5 programming languages are booming in the market. 5 programming languages are booming. C also booming, C++ also booming, Java also booming, Python also booming, and C# also booming. Then actually here depends upon application. For developing console applications, then C and C++ number 1 in the market. C and C++. Because C++ is nothing but it is an extension of C language. C plus object-oriented principles, that is become as C++. So developing console applications or developing system software applications, like a best one, instead of calling console application, system software I'll call. System softwares. For developing system software, C and C++ booming in the world. See, developing system software nothing but like a compilers, interpreters, and browsers, servers, operating system. If you want to run the system, you require some software. That type of software, if you want to implement, till in the market, C and C++ only booming in the market. Okay. Suppose developing internet applications. For developing internet applications, Java booming in the market. Java. Developing internet application, enterprise application, Java position is number 1. Okay. Now, if you want to develop artificial intelligence applications, for this, Python is number 1. For developing GUI based graphical user interface, GUI applications, C# is booming in the market. So like this, these 5 programming languages are booming in the market. For developing system software, till in the market, C and C++ only number 1 in the world. For developing internet application, still in the market, Java only number 1 in the world. For developing artificial intelligence, Python is number 1, like that. So graphical user interface application, C# is number 1. Like this, top 5 programming language, C and C++ also booming, Java also booming, Python also booming, C# also booming. But artificial intelligence applications purpose, Python is number 1 in the world. But why is Java not suitable? Why C# is not suitable? Why is C++ not suitable? So with Python, Java also possible, C and C++ also possible, C# also possible. But problem is you need to put efforts. If you use Java, if you use C and C++, if you use C#. But if you use Python, Python is very easy. As compared to all other programming languages, Python is very simple. Without any software, other skills, you can learn Python. That much easiest language, Python. But learning Python, no prerequisite. But Python is prerequisite for many courses. For developing artificial intelligence, Python required. For learning data science, Python required. For learning IoT, Python required. For learning cloud computing, Python required. For learning testing automation, Python required. Like that, Python is prerequisite. Python is prerequisite to learn other programming, other skills, other softwares. But for learning Python, we don't require anything. Without any other skills, you can learn directly Python. That much easy Python programming language. Say one small example you observe. If you want to write one welcome program, say if it is C language, you'll write like this: hash include stdio.h. First welcome program only. You'll write like this. See, you'll write like this. Like this, C language. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines you'll write. Suppose if it is Java. See, you'll write like this: class demo, public static void main string ops. This is Java program. See, Java program also, these many lines you'll write. Something welcome to Java. Like this you'll write. Okay. Now you observe Python program. These many lines not required. See, Python program, just one line. Just print welcome to Python. So Python program is very easy. See, here C language 4-5 lines required. See, Java 5-6 lines required. But Python just one line. Even if you want to accept two numbers and if you want to display addition of two numbers, just in a one line also we can write. One line. Within a one line, we can accept two numbers. We can display the addition of two numbers. So Python is that much simple. So anybody can learn. No prerequisite to learn Python. But Python is prerequisite to learn many courses. Python is prerequisite to learn many courses. But first of all, you should learn how to learn. That is important. Learning programming language, it is learning style will be there. The learning style is important. So first learning style I'll explain. So how to learn Python is most important. Okay. These all I'll cover. Don't worry about subject. What is artificial intelligence also I'll cover. What is machine learning also I'll cover. What is data science also I'll cover. What is data visualization also I'll cover. Everything I'll cover. These all I'll cover. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry about subject. First of all, before learning these all, how to learn Python, it is the most important. Okay. Say most of the students, without knowing how to learn, they are learning Python. But end of the course, you are unable to write programs. It is waste of time. See, observe, even in academics also, in a BTech, MCA, MTech, for all people, C language will be there. BTech also, MCA also, MTech also, for all branches, all people, C language will be there. After completion of BTech, they are unable to write single program also. But why they are unable to write? Reason, how to learn, they don't know. Without knowing how to learn, they are learning. That is the reason they are unable to write program. So first of all, if you want to learn any course, that course, how to learn, it is the most important. Now say, how to learn Python also most important. The person knows how to learn, very quickly can learn. The person doesn't know how to learn, morning to night, if you work hard also wasted. Say one person, morning to night, he'll work hard. He'll get a subject. Morning to night, he'll work hard, but he'll not get a subject. One more person, only 1 hour only will learn, he'll get a subject. Reason, the person knows how to learn. So before learning any course, how to learn that course, it is the most important. First, I'll teach that one. Okay. Don't worry. These all I'll cover. These all I'll explain. What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? What is data science? What is data visualization? what is IoT, what is numeric and scientific application, what is image processing, what is web scraping, what is web application, what is enterprise application. Everything I'll explain. Don't worry. But first of all, how to learn Python? How to learn Python? It is the most important. So before learning Python, how to learn Python is required. Before learning a Python, how to learn Python, it is important. Okay. Before learning a Python, how to learn Python is the most important. Now, say most of the students, they are learning only in 2 steps. One step, theory. Second step, program. Say first step, theory. Suppose encapsulation, 1 page theory. After learning encapsulation, 1 program they'll write. After learning 1 page theory, immediately they'll write 1 program. Like one more, abstraction, 1 page theory, 1 program. Class, 1 page theory, 1 program. Object, 1 page theory, 1 program. Inheritance, 1 page theory, 1 program. So almost 90 to 95% of the students, they are learning subject only in 2 steps. 1 page theory, 1 program. Theory also, pages, paragraph they are learning. Whether what I'm saying right or wrong, you analyze with your knowledge, then believe my word. Any college, any university, almost all colleges, all universities, students are learning pages theory, paragraph theory. 1 line if I give, that line, they'll make it as 1 paragraph also, 1 page also. Every BTech student is perfect to make paragraphs. 1 line theory notes if I give, that line, they'll make it pages, paragraphs. That is not suitable for software industry. That is not suitable for software industry. So learning style is major role acts to get a subject. How to get? Say, first of all, you have to learn point-wise theory. So theory required, but point-wise theory. Paragraphs, pages theory not required. Okay. How to learn Python? It is the most important for your career. Say, if you know how to learn, end of the course, you will be able to write written tests in software company. You will be able to give answer in interview. You will be able to write any Python program. You will be able to develop project. That's what it is most important. Okay. Before learning Python only, how to learn Python, you have to learn. It is the most important for your career. Listen with more concentration. Okay. Subject I'll teach. Don't worry about subject. Everything I'll cover. Say, first of all, point-wise theory. Paragraphs, pages theory not required. The points also, what you have to learn is what, why, where, when, and how. Say, for example, class. What is class? Why do we need a class? Where we have to use class? When we have to use class? And how to use class? Like this, point-wise theory required. What is class means? Everyone will give answer. But why do we need a class means? Majority people will not give answer. But why also important? Where also important? When also important? How also important? Okay. What is class? Why do we need a class? Where we have to use class? When we have to use class? And how to use class? Suppose object. What is object? Why do we need object? Where we have to use object? When we have to use object? And how to use object? Anything. Encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Why do we need encapsulation? Where we have to use encapsulation? When we have to use encapsulation? And how to use encapsulation? Like this, what, why, where, when, and how. Like this, all points required. Okay. But paragraphs, pages, not required. Paragraphs, pages theory, not required. That is now only realize. Don't waste your time. Pages, paragraph theory, if you learn, you will not reach your target. That is wasted. The time waste, money waste, everything is wasted. So you should realize how to learn. Okay. Point-wise theory. Paragraphs, pages, not required. Okay. Second step, syntaxes. Syntaxes required. See, for every concept, syntax will be there. Syntax. The syntax also you have to learn. Without syntaxes, learning programming language is not possible. That is second step. Third step, logical code snippets. Logical code snippets, nothing but it is not a program. Just 2 lines, 3 lines code snippet. Just 2 lines, 3 lines code snippet. Logical code snippets. Suppose example you observe. Here I'll write on code snippet. Suppose A equal to true, B equal to false, C equal to A plus B, C equal to A plus B, print of C. Like this. It is one small code snippet. It is not a program. It is not a program. Logical code snippet. This is one code snippet. Like will it executes or not? This is only called code snippet. This is only called code snippet, not a program. Just 2 lines, 3 lines. Only 2 lines, 3 lines. 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines like this. This type of code, it is called code snippet. This type of code snippet, will it executes or not? If executes, what will be the output? If not executes, where is the error? That error, can we solve or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why it is not possible? That type you have to learn. So this type of code snippets, most important to improve your logical skills. Because logical code snippets, just 2 lines, 3 lines only. Will it executes or not? If executes, what will be the output? If not executes, in which line error is there? That error, can we solve or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If not possible, why it is not possible? This kind of code snippets you have to learn. Then only you get a subject. After this, concept-wise examples. Concept-wise examples. Concept-wise examples. So class, one example. Object, one example. Encapsulation, one example. Polymorphism, one example. While loop, one example. For loop, one example. Like that you have to learn. Concept-wise examples. Okay. Fifth step, basic programs. Otherwise, directly logic library. Library functions, library modules, and library packages. About Python library. About Python library, you have to learn how to use Python library. Once if you know, any program you can write. So after this, applications you can learn. So like this first step, point-wise theory, next syntaxes, next logical code snippets, next concept-wise examples, next library, predefined functions, predefined modules, predefined packages. If you know, then you can develop any application. This is a way of learning Python. So for learning Python, these are the steps you need to follow. For developing projects, one more step required, integrated applications. Next project. Like this you can learn. Say for developing projects, integrated application part also required. If you learn integrated applications, integration means 2-3 applications we can combine. So here applications you learn 2-3 applications we are going to combine. If the person knows how to combine 2-3 concepts, then the person can be able to develop project. So project means it is not a one program. Project means hundreds of programs will be there. Project means hundreds of programs. But if the person doesn't know how to club 2-3 programs only, how can he develop project? That's what integrated application part also you have to learn. Once if you know how to integrate, then developing project becomes easy. These are the steps you need to follow. See, first step, point-wise theory. Paragraphs, pages, theory not required. So, okay, point-wise theory, paragraphs, pages, theory not required. Just what, why, where, when, how. What, why, where, when, and how. If you know these all, it's enough. Like one paragraph notes not required, one page notes not required. Say in a BTech, MCA, MTech, while learning academic courses, what students are doing, pages theory they're writing. What is encapsulation? Explain briefly if they ask. Even one line also, they'll make it one paragraph. One paragraph they're writing. It's a waste of time. With that, you'll not reach your target. In software company, that type of knowledge is no use. Okay. Exact point. The concept is exact point. Suppose what is encapsulation? Enough. One line. Why do we need encapsulation? One line enough. Where we have to use encapsulation? One line enough. When we have to use encapsulation? How to use encapsulation? Exact points. If you learn, it is more than enough. Later, syntaxes. Each and every syntax you must be familiar. Next, logical code snippets. The code snippet, will it compile or not? Executes or not? If executes, what will be the output? If not executes, what is a mistake? Where is a mistake? That mistake can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why it is not possible? This type of code snippets, so many code snippets I'll explain. So many code snippets. Suppose example, you observe. Like this, I'll conduct exam also. See, these are code snippets. It is not a programs, just a logical code snippets. Now I'll give like this. Then you have to write answers. Whether will it execute or not? If executes, what will be the output? If not executes, in which line error is there? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If not possible, why it is not possible? This type of questions daily I'll ask. Every day I'll interact with you. Just within a one more class only. With tomorrow class only, you'll understand how it will be. Okay. Today, first class, just I'm teaching how to learn. That it is just like a demo. Tomorrow class only, you'll understand how it will be my class. So this type of code snippets. See, like this, like this, like this. See, this type of so many code snippets. Will it executes or not? If executes, what will be the output? If not executes, in which line error is there? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why it is not possible? If you are familiar this type of logics, any Python program you can write. Any Python program. So that's what logical code snippets are most important for every student. Okay, that's what this type of so many logical code snippets I'll explain. Even I'll give assignments also. See, assignments also I'll give. Assignments I'll show you. Now see, like this assignments also I'll give. Assignments. This type of assignments also I'll give. See, this type of assignment, this type of assignment, all I'll cover. Everything. So pattern programs, everything. I'll give you assignments. I'll give code snippets. Every day I'll interact with you. You have to give the answers in a chat box. My class is to interaction. Only myself I'm teaching, yourself you are watching means you'll not get a subject. So after teaching, what I'll do is this type of code snippets I'll give. Like you have to give the answer. That type subject I'll teach. Okay. So after complete like a 2-3 code snippets I'll explain. After explanation, this type of code snippets I'll ask questions. You have to give answer in chat box. Then only you'll get a subject. But only myself I'm teaching, yourself you are watching means you will not get a subject. That's what logical code snippets. Third step. It is the most important step to improve your logical skills. After that, for every concept, one example. For every concept, one example. Okay. After that, library. Once if you are familiar how to use library, then any application you can develop. Any application. After that, integrated application. 2-3 applications I'm going to combine. With that knowledge, you will be able to develop project. So like this, 8 steps to learn Python. For learning Python, 8 steps. Like this, if you learn, end of the course, you will be able to give answers in interview. You will be able to write written tests in a software company. You will be able to develop any Python application. You will be able to develop any project. So not only my programs, new programs also you can write. New program also you can write. It is possible. That way I'm going to teach. Okay, that way I'm going to teach. Say, these all I didn't explain till just today. Maximum I covered how to learn. Maximum. Okay. Tomorrow onwards I'll start subject. Tomorrow onwards I'll start subject. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Tomorrow I'll start subject. Today just I taught how to learn Python. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. 1 minute. Many doubts are coming. Okay, 1 minute. I'll give all query. Yeah. See, you don't know. See, 1 minute. 1 minute. So many doubts are coming. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, okay. Okay, just I'll give answers. I'll give answers. I'll give answers. You don't know C language. No need to worry. No need of C language to learn Python. Without C language, without C++, without Java, we don't require other languages. You can learn Python. Python is that much easy. Python is very simple. Anybody can learn. That much easy. Okay. Now you are from EEE background. Okay, EEE. Like EEE also, like a non-computer background people also can learn Python. It is possible. Okay. Non-computer also you can learn. Non-computer background also you can learn. Like core Python in this course, yeah. Hands-on experience. You'll get it. Hands-on experience. I'll share notes. I'll share programs. I'll share diagrams with Google Classroom link. I'll provide you Google Classroom link. With that, you have to join. With that, you'll get a subject. Okay. Daily, I'll interact with you. Syllabus copy also I'll share. Core Python, Advanced Python, NumPy, and Pandas. Okay, these all will be there. How to download Python? Okay, how to install Python? I'll explain. Don't worry about that. Okay. Data science also Python is mandatory. Yes, right, compulsory. Session 1.5 hour session will be there. 1.5 hour. Okay. What is prerequisite for learning Python? No prerequisite. Without any knowledge, you can learn Python. That much easy. Okay. Like course fee. Course fee 4,000 rupees will be there for core Python, advanced Python, NumPy, and Pandas. Which software we use in Python? First, Python shell also I'll show you. Python IDE also I'll show you. Python IDEs also I'll show you. PyCharm, Jupyter, these also I'll teach. Okay. Your civil engineering background. Civil engineering also you can learn. Anybody can learn Python. That much easy. This course will take 60 to 70 days. Per day, 1.5 hour session will be there. Okay. At least 1 hour or 2 hours you have to practice on system. At least 1 hour or 2 hours you have to practice on system. Then only you'll get a subject. Even Python is very easy, but without practicing it's not possible. Yeah. Daily I'll interact with you. You'll get a subject. With that interaction only you'll get a subject. Okay. You have 4 years experience. Yeah, you can join Python course also. Suitable. This Python course is present only online, no offline. Present offline classes are not running. When it will be going to be started, we cannot predict. We have to wait and see. Python is required for learning DevOps also, AWS also, Google Cloud Platform also required, compulsory required. Okay. Python project, integrated application part I'll teach. With that, you'll get a Python project development knowledge also. Okay. Even if you are like anybody can join. Okay, BBM students also like degree or anybody can teach, learn. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Sindhuja. Thank you. Different types of artificial intelligence. Actually, artificial intelligence, there are so many messages are there. I'm giving answers for one by one. There are 3 types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence stage 1, artificial intelligence stage 2, artificial intelligence stage 3. Artificial intelligence stage 1 nothing but less than human brain. Stage 2 nothing but equivalent to human brain. Stage 3 nothing but more than human brain. Present stage 1 only going on. For that, Python is best as compared to R language. Okay. Data structures. Complete data structures means your collection data types will be there. That is treated as data structures. That is you are going to learn. Complete course. Python complete course. Fee structure 4,000 they are charging. In the Python, core Python, advanced Python, NumPy, and Pandas. These four you are going to learn. These four. Okay, 1 minute. Many messages are there. Many messages are there. 1 minute. I'll give all answers. Yeah, many messages are there. One by one, I'm giving. Nearly 50 plus messages are there. Wait. I have to give answers for all. One minute. Where I stopped. Okay. Now I'll give all answers. I'll give. Don't worry. End of the course, you will be able to write any Python program. Yes, you can write any Python program. You can write. Okay. Now, if you miss any class, you can attend in other batch, but they are not going to provide recorded videos. Okay. Data analytics. Yeah. You would like to learn data analytics. Data analytics also Python required. Yes, Python background required. Duration 60 to 70 days it will take. Mechanical engineer also, all non-computer background people also can develop, can learn. With GUI implementation also possible with Python. Placement assistance will be there in RSI Technologies. Yeah, it will be there. Present version of Python is 3.9.4. That is you are going to learn. Up to latest version you will learn. BSc degree also you are eligible to learn Python. All are eligible. Job assistance will be there. This information is there in a website. It is there. For DevOps also up to advanced Python required. Python is also case sensitive language. Yes. Duration 60 to 70 days it will take. This complete course 4,000 they are charging. Core Python, advanced Python, NumPy and Pandas. Not only core advanced, including NumPy and Pandas. Big data analytics possible through Python possible. NumPy, Pandas also required for that. Matplotlib it comes under other applications. Like after Python you have to learn. Yeah, I'll all Python notes through Google Classroom. I'll send through Google Classroom. I'll share. For Python, any Windows, at least Windows 7 will not work. Windows 10 required. Windows 8, 10, like 7, it will not work. Present morning session, my class is not there. Frameworks, I'll explain in further sessions. Like what are the frameworks are there? For different courses, different frameworks are there. For learning Python, C language not required. Mechanical engineer people are mechanical background also you can learn. Yeah, you are working on Oracle. Okay, still Python will be useful. For all people, Python is useful nowadays. Python is interpreter based, but implicitly Python compiler also will be there. That in tomorrow class only will understand. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, further sessions will understand. Yeah, you have a 10 years teaching experience, but you want to switch to Python. Yeah, you can. Not a problem. You can learn. Yeah, daily I'll interact with you. You'll get with that only you'll get a subject. But only myself I'm teaching, yourself you are learning means it is not possible. Yeah, thank you, Bajiriti. Thank you. Yeah, end of the course, you'll get a certificate. Course details. We have course details in a Python website. You can see Naresh IT Technologies. Even course syllabus also is there. You can see. So you have a Python syllabus. Python training. You click, you'll get it complete notes also. Here, see Python content. See content is there. Introduction to Python, Python software, Python language fundamental, different modes of Python. See Python variables, Python operators, input output. See complete syllabus is there. Python is helpful for all people. Yeah, I'll provide assignments also. Yes, I'll provide assignments also. Yeah, information is there in the Python. Python's content also is there in a website. You can see. Laptop, any configuration, but in Windows 10 operating system required. Only with this Python course, later you have to learn frameworks also. Then you'll get opportunities more. Yeah, 4,000 rupees. This is for core Python, advanced Python, NumPy, and Pandas. Yeah, placements are there in Naresh IT. Fees details, you can contact admin. I'll give admin details. You can contact admin. This batch admin is Srikanth sir. You can contact him. I'll give that number. If any doubts are there, fee related, all those things, non-technical doubts, you can contact. 1 minute. I'll give. Uh, 630 968 665. You can contact admin if any non-technical doubts. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Yeah, here placement drives also will be there. Geo application also you can develop, web application also you can develop. Yeah, thank you, Chandrika. Course details are shown in the website. You can see. For learning Python, no prerequisite. Yeah, my contact number is no use because maximum I'll be in a class only. So my mail ID I'll give if you want. My mail ID. This is my mail ID, venkatesh.mansani@yahoo.com. Monday to Saturday will be there class. Yeah, BCA people also can learn. Django not included in this course. Django separate. Yeah, logical skills only most important. That is I'm going to cover. Class time 1.5 hour I'll take. 1.5 hour. Yeah, 2 GB RAM laptop also suitable. Not a problem. Yeah, daily Zoom only. Zoom software only. Advanced Python content, everything is available in a website. You can see. So many messages are there, many messages. Morning session present, we don't have batches. My batch not there. Yeah, 4 o'clock class. Tomorrow 4 o'clock. Tomorrow 4 o'clock class. Yeah, Python, only Python if you learn, it is, you may, if you learn any other frameworks also, more opportunities will be there. With only Python, less requirements will be there. For data science, Python only better. Python only better. As compared to or Python only better. Yeah, Python, after learning Python, if you learn other frameworks, it will be useful. Then more opportunities will be there. Yeah, freshers, like freshers only I'm saying. Freshers only Python if you learn, you may not get a job. But if you learn frameworks also, you'll get a job. Placements are there in Naresh ID. Even if you don't have any knowledge also, you can join for Python. Prerequisite means prerequisite not there. For Python, we don't have prerequisite. Without any knowledge, you can learn. 100% job means depends upon your skills. Class tomorrow 4 o'clock. Tomorrow 4 o'clock it will be continued. Stack and queue will not come in the year. Collection types will be there. Collections type only data structures like Windows 7, it is not working. Python latest version will not work. Yeah, thank you, Sujata. With the same link, you can join. Frameworks, Django, Flask, so many frameworks are there. SQL, here Python with the database connectivity, I'll teach. Database connectivity, I'll teach. Yeah, all complete notes I'll send through Google Classroom link. Google Classroom link I'll send. Python, many Python softwares are there. You can download separate. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow 4 o'clock. Tomorrow 4 o'clock, we'll see continuation. Yeah, even if you are a mechanical background also, it will be useful. It is very easy. Anybody can learn. It is that much easy. Frameworks separate. This is only core Python, advanced Python. Core Python, advanced Python. The videos will not be provided. Recorded videos will not be provided. And you have to listen, you have to attend classes regular. No recorded sessions. The live training will be there. It should be very regular. Yeah, what is your question? Veera, Gordon, ready? What is your question? Gordon, ready? Recorded videos will not be provided. No recorded videos. You should be regular. No recorded videos. No need to write the notes. I'll send through Google Classroom link. No need to write. No need to write. Only in a class, you have to listen. You have to watch the screen. I'll ask questions. You have to give answer. That interaction will be there. Every day I'll interact with you in a chat box. Tomorrow with the same link, you can join. Tomorrow with the same link, you can join. How to download Python, how to install Python, I'll teach. Machine learning separate course. It is only core Python, advanced Python, NumPy and Pandas. Regular class only, tomorrow I'll start. Regular class, tomorrow only I'll start. Today just the introduction I given, tomorrow I'll start subject. Because I don't waste your time and I'll start subject tomorrow only. Tomorrow only I'll start subject. Because unnecessary theory no need to learn. Whatever software industry required, that subject you have to learn. Whatever software industry require subject, that subject you have to learn. Okay, that way I'll teach. Don't worry about subject, don't worry about duration. In a short period, good subject I'll teach. Tomorrow only I'll start subject. Unnecessary theory I won't teach. Directly I'll go for logics, because software company requires logics only. Software company requires logic only. Thank you, Pawan. Thank you. Tomorrow only I'll start subject. Just you'll see tomorrow class only, you'll see how it will be class. Today I explained only how to learn Python. Today just I explained how to learn Python. Okay. Tomorrow you will see continuation. Be regular. Tomorrow you'll see continuation. Okay. Tomorrow 4 o'clock you will see continuation. Okay, right. Tomorrow 4 o'clock we'll see continuation.